Hello viewers. Today we are going to discuss about the what is workover rig and what is the difference of workover and the drilling rig. So what is workover rig? Workover rig is used to intervention the oil well, involving invasive techniques such as wireline, coil tubing or snubbing. More specifically, a workover refers to a expensive process because we are pulling all the production tubings, that is what completion, from the hole to outside, and we will replace with a new one. Mostly workover rigs are capacities less than the drilling rigs. So by viewing also you can get the clear information between the workover rig and the drilling rig. Drilling rig capacity is very high, and in case of workover rig capacity is less comparatively. And also drill pipes, the size of the drill pipes also difference. In previous video we discussed about the pipe sizes of different capacity of the drilling rigs. So in case of this workover rigs, not much diameter, mostly they are using 3-inch diameter of drill pipe, 3.5 like that, not more than that, because if they are using more diameter they need to supply more energy, that is what electricity. So that is a problem for that, because the capacity of the rig is very less. So in order to safe working they are using lesser weight drill pipes, that is what the 3-inch or maybe 3.5. So now we will see what are the specifications and the most important point of the workover rig here. So here we are discussing about one of the rig, the model and the type. You see here, truck mounted rig model JC2 B by 11. So that is what the model of the rig, which year it is built, 2012. Rig power rating, it is very important, 450 HP. So in drillings to comparatively drilling it is lesser. Drilling rigs have more power, like 2000 HP, 2500 HP, like that. So drilling depth, how much depth it can make hole, that is 1000 meters with 4.5 drill pipe. You see here, mostly they are using 3-inch drill pipe or maybe a 4.5 drill pipe. Not more than that size they will not use. If they will use, they have to supply more power. Work over 7000 meter with 27 by 8 drill pipe. Here you see less than the 3-inch drill pipe also they are using, that is a 27 by 8. That is a little than the 3-inch drill pipe. And here rig move operation is also very easy, because here that rig is mounted on the truck. They can easily unfold and they will move back. So what are the mast details here? So this is the information. It is a China made. You may see the name of the mast, type, and the next one, clear height, that is what the height of that top mast is 114 feet. Mast base, truck mounted structure, hook load 136 tons. And next we go to substructure. It is also a China made U1, you see. And rig floor dimensioning height is 20 feet upon by 19 feet. And rotary load is very important, that is 135 ton. And the next one is drawworks. Drawworks, as you know that the similar component of the drawworks is for the workover as well as for drilling. The purpose of drawworks is used to lift the drill string up and down whenever we are doing running in the hole or maybe pulling out of the hole. So what are the make here? Again you see Tianjin Dong Fang Xian, that is one of the make name. Rated input power is 540 HP. Drill and diameter is 1 inch, 3000 feet, IWRC APS standard. Auxiliary brake, have hydromatic brake. Okay. And the information about the traveling block. The made is Gayu YZ135. Retail load capacity is 135 tons. Here you see 4 by 3-inch sheaves. Okay, next one, swell. Make model is again SL 135. Rated load capacity is 135 tons. Rotary table. It is also very important because the load capacity should know, because the questions may ask about the rotary table. What is the purpose of rotary table? So in order to seat, that is what, in order to give a support for the drill string, we are placing with the help of slips in the rotary table to hold them. The load rating capacity is 270 tons. Table opening 17.5 inch. Dry type is mechanical. Torque 11,000 feet per pound. The speed it can rotate is 300 rpm. And this is the truck what we are discussing. And power supply system, engine make 2x cat engines. Drawworks on the slush pumps. Engine power is 2 into 540 HP. Power generators are Penkins. Electrical power usage 10 kilowatts. Rig power voltage is 220 by 380, 50 Hz capacity, 50 Hz frequency. Mud systems. Mud pumps make model 1 Rongstrand F500. Maximum rated input is 500 HP. Standpipe assembly 1 into 3 inch by 3000 psi working pressure. Here also we are using well control equipment, that is BOP in spherical. That is the model you see here F1821 1 by 16 3k psi. That is what the pressure rating. BOP rams, again here you see whatever the BOP spherical have, that the dimension of the BOP rams, because they are mounted one over another. 7 1 by 16 3k psi. Similarly, choke manifold, kill manifold, as the similar is in case of drilling. Choke manifold and the kill manifold, they are using at the time of operation, they are out of the hands. At that time they will use this kill manifold. And choke manifold, whenever the input flux is coming, that is what the formation pressure, at that time they will open choke manifold and they will send to outside with the help of choke manifold. So here there are the models as well as the capacities. 3000 psi, 3000 psi, both are the same in capacity. And the diameter sizes you see 2 1 by 16 size is the accumulator unit. Here also 3000 psi. Working pressure. Air winch. Model is JSYC5. Rated load capacity 5 ton. It can hold up to 5 tons of capacity. That is what air winch. Wire size is 0.59 inch. Kelly. Here we are not discussing about the TDS because it is a workover rig. Mostly we see in the Kelly only. So make is hexagonal type. Size is 3.5 inch, 40 feet length. Rated pressure is 3000 psi. Mostly in when we are preparing for the roughneck interviews, the question is like, what is the length of the Kelly? That is what, 40 feet. Sand line. Make model is again you see mechanical. Wire size is 9 by 16 inch, 7000 feet. This is the a valuable information about the workover rig. So workover rigs are not normal like a drilling rigs, but the workover rig is used to enhance the whatever the hydrocarbons which are inside the earth surface. So this is what the workover rig. The major difference between the workover rig and the drilling rig is, drilling rig can perform the workover operations like removing all completion, that is what tubings from the well bore to outside, as well as replacement the new tubings into the well bore. But in case of workover rig, its capacity is very less. Not like a drilling rig, it cannot work because the capacity is less. That is what the major difference between the workover rig and the drilling rig. Okay viewers, I hope you understand well. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.